NASDAQ this week has risen in value. As it was expected in the previous week analysis, we can see that the price formed this bullish breakout above this confluence of resistance, and it has been above 18,000, where the prices formed these indecision small candles bodies and then continuing on the Friday, reaching this area 18246. Just a minute, we need to move this one a little bit closer here so we can see where it is, the supply and demand zone. And we can see the prices reach at this area, and then on a Friday price retrace slightly down. Then we can see it is a weekly bullish breakout happening on the market, where the price has returned back inside this channel that is showing the uptrend. On the monthly time frame, we can see this is still open. We have several weeks until this month ends, so everything can happen. Also, the price could return back down below 18,000. It can further decline down, but we can see in the previous month it was a bearish one, and currently what we can see on the market, the price is running back up. If the price goes up and returns above 18,000, this will be a failed bearish breakout, which will be indication that the price will move in the opposite direction. That means bullish one. Now we can see everything is still pointing on the weekly time frame that it is a bullish breakout, and it is expected, at least what I can see, the price could return back up and reaching again a higher price levels, which means around this area here, which is 18,300. Now, if the price would like to return back down, this needs to be confirmed with the next week going below 18,000, which will be a cancellation of this bullish breakout and indication for the further decline in the opposite direction. Now, the daily time frame shows us that currently the price has reached this resistance area. This is the supply zone where it is expected that the price will drop down. And on a Friday, it has happened that. But for next week, I'm expecting to see the price again moving up, reaching this supply zone, a resistance area, and then we'll see will the price make a breakout like just in this example, and again reaching 18,500, or it will reach this area here, just like in this example, and then return back down. Always when the price reaches this resistance level, it is expected that the price will retrace back down slightly, a little bit at least, and then trying to make a breakout to the upper side. This is a very important resistance level. We can see in the past that the price had problems going above and then finally make that happen, and then it was also a great support for the price. And we can see here in the next attempt to make a breakout to the upper side, it was a failed bullish breakout with this candle that has took the price in the opposite direction all the way down. So it is very important to see, but it is for me, I'm expecting to see the price reaching again next week this area here, and then we'll see will the breakout happens to the upper side, or the price will make some kind of a price action signal showing decline in the price in the opposite direction, meaning moving even more down. So this will be shared inside the Telegram group where this breakout happens, and also how the market behaves during the week. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.